Hello student, today we will do question number 6 from exercise 4.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. The question number 6, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So first we will let the number of articles be X and the cost of each article B. Cost is 3 more than, and the cost 3 more than twice the number of articles, means 2x plus 3, twice of number of article plus 3. That's it. Now according to question, total cost of production is 90, means according to question, x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. We multiply 2x square, 3x equal to 90. If we will bring this side, 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. If we will split middle term, then 2x square plus minus 12x plus 15x. This is minus 90 equal to 0. If we will take common 2x, x minus 6 plus 15 x minus 6 is equal to 0. If we will take common x minus 6, 2x plus 15. X is equal to then 6 and minus 15 by 2. So this value will be rejected because number of articles cannot be in negative. So x will be 6. So answer will be then number of articles is equal to 6 and cost of each article is equal to 6 to the 12 rupees 15. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.